Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is Nachos and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, for here we bring you football updates all over the world, bring you news from La Liga, Premiership, Syria and the rest of the world. For now we'll start with Arsenal Football Club. Omodega don't come outside and talk say he would like to score for the match against Spurs where they go play on Sunday, because if you remember, you know say last season where Arsenal win 2-1, Odegaard now scored the second goal after Lacazette scored the first penalty. I even remember for that match, Aubameyang no play because he come late for training where Arteta come bench am. So they come play Odegaard, play some kind of people where Arsenal dominates them, Odegaard score, and that time they on loan from Real Madrid, so you understand how the match be, where everybody they very happy. So they talk say, Omo, this time around where they go play these people again, so saying go like to score, especially now if we say fans don't come back. You know, say that way they play fans no really dey, but now if fans don't come back, everywhere go there electrifying. Almost say even score, everywhere go scatter. So you want to experience that feeling. Well, I just pray say wishes come to true. They come to pass, I beg. But Nigel Winterborn will be one of Arsenal greats. Don't come outside the advice Arteta say it go make sense. Make Aubameyang play on the left, make Lacazette play for that center forward, then choose any other person who go play. Change formation. You get say this why you say they bench Lacazette. It no make sense. They can still play Lacazette and Aubameyang. They go see they do things for that your setup and it go work. But Arteta the talk say Aubameyang don't dey get form for that center forward. So it go make sense making continue for that center forward, making the boss net for that place. Even though Lacazette dey for Benjamin, I believe say the reason why they keep Lacazette for Benjamin, they look say this guy don't really get future for Arsenal. After all, you know, they never offer him contract offer. I need it for the final lap. So it no go make sense. Maybe they give person for the final lap more game time. They give him more game time. At the end of the day, he go come out as a free agent. So what's not the point? So it could make it they give people where we say they get future, maybe then they play. I believe say that the rationale behind why Arteta no one play Lacazette, just like the way they do with Leno and Ramsey. You know, so Leno now everybody knows they go sell him either for January or at the end of the summer. So it no go make sense. But then they give him game time. May Ramsey come for Benjamin. At the end of the day, Leno go come go. So that's why they can't give Ramsey more playing time, because they know say 9 days from now moving forward. So now the same thing they happen between this Lacazette and Aubameyang play. So the question why they ask now, they say, she will not believe say more could they use two of them, say make Lacazette dey for that center forward, make Aubameyang dey for left, and then more continue the way they do and say okay, Aubameyang continue playing the center forward, Lacazette dey for your Benjamin. What will be our opinion for the matter? Let me know in the comment section. Surprise, Arsenal and Tottenham Hotspur they battle for Anthony Martial, and they say they won't sign up by January. You know, say since Cristiano Ronaldo come, a lot of people don't be surplus to requirements. People like Cavani, people like Martial, you know, they don't really see game time. You get now only cup they will use them, and nobody like to play for cup now. So that's why Arsenal and Spurs they listen say okay, Baba, we will come rescue you for January. So now go dey support of this one. We go sign this Manchester United reject, even though the guy good now because of say Ronaldo don't come, they can't throw him down the pecking order. So now go like we go sign this guy because he will be playing 9 for United. At least even if Lacazette go, maybe he go come play 9 for the guys have the experience. We soon at the same time. My former Arsenal player, who they call Alan Smith, don't come outside. They advise Mikel Arteta say, see, if you want to set up for that Arsenal versus Spurs match, say the one weak link with Tottenham Hotspur get now be Emerson Royal. That guy now the right back who they buy from Barcelona. They say 9 weeks we won't buy. We can't say okay, we no buy him again. We can't go for Tomiyasu. And Spurs said you won't go for Tomiyasu. Just like say we swap. So back on the talk say we could go for this guy because this guy na very weak link. The guy never understand EPL. This is La Liga yesterday. So if you watch the match between Spurs and Crystal Palace, this is how lick this guy like sweet. They lick him from the beginning of the match to the end. So we say if we target this guy, our wingers, if they go this guy, when they knock, especially Tierney catch him one-on-one, they lick him in here. So we fit defeat that guy for that win going there. So we don't get up hand, we will control the game. According to one of our monitoring spirits, where they call 90 minutes, so they can let us know, say West Ham and Lyon, see that they're very, very interested in signing Lacazette. No, say this Lacazette issue now because by January this guy will be eligible to sign pre-contract with anybody to let them know say okay, at the end of the summer I'll come join you now for free. Now only wages you now go pay. And even if Arsenal won't even sell him for January, and I just cut fee now, maybe like £5 million or £4 million. So everybody know the situation with Lacazette. That's why every Tom, Dick and Harry they come, they talk to the one side. Atletico don't come, Barcelona don't come, West Ham don't come, now Lyon don't come. Now I say Lyon sell from collect the guy. So and Lyon said now they really need that because they don't sell Memphis Depay. They don't really get strong striker. So this guy now if he go back there to revive him form because the guy was a hit back there in Lyon when we signed him. So well, you never know. Now January go tell how everything will be. More if he go, may go. If they no go give an offer. They made them sell him instead of him to go as a free. After all, Benjamin they just keep the guy, and the guy good though. Let the guy play. No, I don't say for this sports match. No, I ain't go still coming because this guy still scored against them last season. So if him come in, if him play well, they fit to come change the formation, carry Aubameyang and go for flank. But the problem with that mindset, we say if you put Aubameyang for flank, Aubameyang don't be direct person. We say he go face defender one-on-one, dribbler. You know, as a winger, you know sabi all that one. Well, and I what thing they do before when they play for Dortmund. Before Stephanie first come Arsenal, what thing Baba they do? They catch defender one-on-one. You go cut him, boah, go. Play like Henry. All of a sudden, you buy your shot. It's a bit. Arteta get dream situation for Arsenal now. When we say all the first team players they fit, nobody they injured. He don't tell way Arteta experience this kind of thing. But maybe not because you know they play Champions League, we don't play Europa, and only Cup, even the Cup self now once in a while. Only Cup and League we play like once every 7 days. You get so that one point they help us, you know, to the incur many injuries like that. So now for the match they go play against Spurs, everybody they fit. In short, Arteta don't get selection headache. You don't know who he go pick again because everybody they fit and fire and everybody they train like mad. Everybody want play a derby. We got win. So they're very happy for the team. Shall I say our physios and our medical team they work very, very well for the players to keep them fit. Surprise, Arsenal they interested in Sevilla's El Nesiri. And this guy is a very good striker. And Sevilla don't talk say if Arsenal they interested in this guy truly, I say they won't sign her. Say we just cost them £38.5 million. You get so if number January they won't collect them, no yawa. If the end of the summer, no yawa. Any which way, now the amount we don't slap for this guy head with this. You know, say now as Arsenal they now we will continue our rebuilding process. Another weak link we will get now that our centre forward. We need new strikers because people will get there. They don't hold, they don't share. We don't improve some other areas. Short all the main areas we're supposed to improve. I believe so we don't improve them. We still just remain now like this centre forward. So that's just the thing. So that's why anybody will here say Arsenal they linked to now attacking prospects now they linked to. So hopefully even if they don't sign this guy, I know say more people will be available for that January. According to our monitoring spirits, whether they call Cadena SER and Daily Express, they let us know say for the previous transfer window we just go say Real Madrid reject Arsenal £34 million for Marco Asensio. You know say we don't hear this one and now we just the hear am. So Real Madrid reject that even though the guy did for almost end of in contract, they never even give a new contract and the guy they unhappy for Real Madrid. At the same time, they still reject them because they got confidence say they go renew contract with them. But we hear say Asensio they unhappy and the guy if he move for January or if he move at the end of the summer, though Arsenal still they keep tabs on the guy because they won't sign her. Well, when you watch how this story go turn out. But anyhow we go, I will let you know because if we sign this guy, this guy na massive upgrade for the wings. The guy na direct winger always have dazzle. That's what I like her. David Seaman don't come outside the chook match for the matter for the match where Arsenal go play versus Spurs. So but back on the talk say, you see this match, say the only place where Arsenal will get upper hand that if we keep Kane quiet. Because Kane never really scored plenty goals. For the last match, he just scored 1 goal. I think that one will boost in confidence more. But if we keep him quiet, say this guy no go see anything play. And if he no see anything play, he no go fit assist Son or Dele Alli. And if he no fit do like that, we go knock them. So now the problem with that, saying they release the battle between Gabriel Magalhaes and Harry Kane. So if we dominate that Kane, then the Tottenham no go see anything play. Well, everything that tomorrow and we'll see as it will be. On my Daily Express, so be our monitoring spirits don't come outside. They let us know say Arsenal they consider the prospect, the possibility of collecting McKennie from Juventus and giving them Granit Xhaka. It is a mistake. But when I hear this deal first time, when Juventus proposed the deal, I first think say since Arsenal don't upgrade Granit Xhaka to vice captain, so that means say they no go want sell him again. See they interested in the guy, they go want keep him for their squad. But now when they hear say they go they interested, or they relish that opportunity to collect McKennie because that McKennie is very, very talented. Under Pello, the guy play very, very well. But under Max Allegri, They no come give am game time about it for Benjamin. You know, say every coach get their own players, so they go want use. So now what they sup now? So Arsenal the reason say okay, if they collect McKennie because McKennie himself now still young guy now from USA. The guy young, they play, they score goals. So they'll give them Granny Xhaka. Well, I never know how this one go materialize. Whether not for January, or whether not for end of the summer. Well, anyhow way they go, I will let you know. Jamie Carragher don't come outside, they bust everywhere with his own opinion. So Baba Kole talk say, you see as Arsenal today now, the Arsenal and Spurs, the two of them they don't lost their top 6 status. You say before we talk say top 6, you go put Arsenal there, you go put Spurs there, but now two of them they don't even they smell and because Leicester don't did there, other people don't did there. So Baba Kole talk say this match now one of the greatest matches we say they go for use and propel themselves back to the top 6 because these two teams. Their ambition this season are to break into the top 6 at least. So you no fit wait to see the match on Sunday. Now so myself, I no fit wait to see that match because I don't say we go win, but I never know how many goals. By Sunday the morning after I don't pray, then I go let you know my inspiration. Michael Owen don't come outside and give your own prediction. So he say for the match where Arsenal will play against Tottenham Hotspur, say in the see Arsenal winning 2-1 because Tottenham Hotspur don't get deep in form and Arsenal form self don't rise. Even for the first 3 games Arsenal lose. Now Tottenham Hotspur don't lose back to back. You get so everybody they look at the same level now. Arsenal and they shine now. Tottenham Hotspur and then they cry. So for that reason, and Arsenal when they play for Emirates again in front of their fans. So for that reason, they say Arsenal winning 2-1. Well, we hope so that true. I'm for media setting, they call they ask Mikel Arteta say I ain't go take prepare the boys for this derby again because some of them never played this derby before. So Baba Kole talk say na true say wetin go do be say he go reason them, he go let them know the history between the two clubs. Say this game is not just any other game. Say a little bragging rights they attached to am. Say everybody must play well and he go make sure say them win and make them keep a cool-headed personality that they play for this match. You know be say because they don't tell you the history now say na game we say we can't afford to lose because the intensity will be very high and the atmosphere will be electrifying. That no can make you they launch some kind of challenges. Say you know we could do the same mistake. Oh make last season we play like 4 or 5 games with 10 men. It affect us gone. See now you don't make anybody collect red card. You want to play this game with a cool head. You get play am very well. Be humble. Don't make rash tackles. The referee no give you 2 yellow or give you 1 red. So now we think we'll explain to them. But they know the importance of this match, how important it is to the fans all over the world. For me, I want to even win, to keep clean sheets. And my own prayer be that. Well, I can't wait for this match. And Kevin Campbell said don't come outside, can't they praise Gabriel Magalhaes. Say ever since when this guy come back from injury, the Arsenal don't they play better, the defense don't they defend better because this guy get this no nonsense attitude. If they enter match, if they see an opponent, the reason them like say, I want to dominate this guy, you are my puppet, I want to dominate this striker, I will deal with you today. That kind of mentality the guy get, and that's why I say the guy na Brazilian, but he get this British mentality. Let's say all these British bullish defenders, they like to dominate people. So that is why they very, very happy. Say the guy don't come back and the guy they fit. And if they play, everybody they play with them, they play very well. So that's what they like. And you know, say that in bulky nature, they make and they bully people. Then Ben White, you they do this a work of sweeper or they sweep anybody we drop for ground. So you hope say these two people they will form a very great partnership. It will help Arsenal for many, many years to come. So my dear football lovers, Monaye will come to the end of today's show. Tomorrow, I'll come again, come giving a fresh updates as they drop all over the world. And if today is the first time we sell our program, don't forget to like our posts, share our videos, follow us, and support us. I see that bell notification icon we did there. Toggle them so that when there's to drop videos, Facebook and YouTube will notify you so we don't drop them. Thank you for always supporting us, and God bless you.